Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa. I'm going to be filming part 2 of the Turkish munchies, taste testing them. So let's get started. First thing I'm gonna try, pizza. Let's try this. I don't know if I necessarily think it tastes like pizza, but it's definitely good. I think this is poppy seeds inside of it. They look like these little triangle things. And they have little specks in them. They look like poppy seeds. Let's see. What does it say? I'm gonna eat some more. My hair is kind of blending in with this top, huh? Has a picture of a coconut on it, so I'm not sure I'm gonna like it because I'm not like a huge fan of some coconut things. Some I am, some I'm not. So coconut cream filled cocoa wafer with natural and artificial flavors. The package looks like. It's about this size. Oh, definitely smells like coconut. Ooh, and I'm not sure it's the kind I like. I don't know. It's like super artificial coconut flavor. And the chocolate's kind of like an odd chocolate flavor to me. No. It tastes too much like how like coconut sunscreen smells. Ew. That was not good. I started opening this one before I even showed you guys or said anything. This one looks like a chocolate bar with like a cookie underneath and some caramel in the middle. It looks really good. I am actually, last time, for the first time I filmed the Turkish munchies video, I was just randomly grabbing, but this time I'm actually choosing things out. So this is what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Kind of reminds me of like a Twix maybe, except for the Twix is like fully covered in chocolate. Definitely like a Twix, except for the caramel in this is a little bit tougher, not as chewy and nice and soft like Twix is. But I really like it. I'm gonna have my husband try this one. I really want to try these because it looks like they're spicy, and it's another savory one. What is that? An explosive stick is here to test your taste buds. Or alternatively, you can use it as a lightsaber. What? Are you ready to challenge? Go ahead and try one. Remember, you should go easy with this one. We sometimes replace the hot one with the cheesy one to give a rest to our customers' temperature receptors in their mouths. This is really good. I don't think it's that spicy though. I mean, I taste the spice a little bit, but it doesn't feel that spicy. This might end up being my favorite out of the whole box. Because this one looks really good. I believe this is a hazelnut, and it looks kind of like chocolate as well, like cocoa and like a Nutella maybe. Inside the filling of this. This is what it looks like. Coming out the side a little bit. Very flaky. But very good. Well, I've got it stuck to my lips. It was really good. Okay, last thing I'm gonna try today is, but this looks like a wafer of some sort with some nuts in it and chocolate. I don't know. Sounds delicious. Oh, so flaky. So this is what it looks like. It has like 2 layers to it. And the wafer. The inside filling tastes exactly like something that I used to eat growing up, Duveline. I'll pop a picture up here. It's like the mix of those 2 flavors inside with a little really, really light chocolate flavored wafer. Oh, they're so good. And I like the added crunch to this. I'm so happy I decided to try this today. I don't really see little nuts. Wow. I'm very happy. Okay. You guys, it has to be a tie. These 2 are number 1, kind of, for today's video. I think maybe for the whole box. We already know the least favorite is those coconut ones. Second favorite is gonna be the Twix, and then the pizza, and then the chocolate pastry thing. And then very last is the coconut thing. I'm finishing this. That is so good. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. If I can get it out of the package.